Here's the question. In the brackets, 200 divided by 10, close the bracket, multiplied by 5, divided by 400. First, we'll solve the bracket. Now, the solution. In the bracket, 200 divided by 10, close the bracket, multiply by 5, divided by 4. Now, 200 divided by 10 is 20. Now, let's solve further. 20.
Multiply by 5, divide by 4. Now let's solve further. 20 multiplied by 5 divided by 4. We know that multiplication and division have the same priority, so when checking from left to right, we give priority to whichever comes first. Here, multiplication comes first, so we'll give it the first priority, then division,
and proceed accordingly. 20 into 5 upon 4. 20 times 5 is 100 divided by 4. 4 goes into 100 25 times. Now, this is the answer. 25 is the answer.